The starter housing assembly consists of the plastic housing, an assembled starter rope, spring, pulley, soft start spring, retainer, and baffle. It also comes with new mounting screws. The starter housing assembly can be used to repair a trimmer that was accidentally broken from being dropped or something falling on it. It is also a fast way to fix a trimmer that has a broken starter. Replacing the starter housing assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the motor. Next, I'll remove the side cover from the throttle trigger handle. I'll remove the throttle assembly from the shaft. Now I'll remove the 3 screws that secure the shaft assembly to the engine. Now I'll remove the clutch drum. Now I'll remove the clutch. The clutch is threaded on to the crankshaft. To remove it, I'll place a screwdriver on the edge of the clutch and then strike the screwdriver with a mallet to break the clutch free from the shaft. Now I need to disconnect the wires from the ignition switch. Remove the throttle cable from the trigger. And cut the cable ties away from the throttle cable and the wires. And now I can remove the starter housing assembly. And now I'll install the new starter assembly. I'll thread the ignition wires through the opening along with the throttle cable. I'll align the starter with the engine. Make sure the starter pawls align with the crank, and then secure the housing to the engine with the new screws that came in the kit. Now reconnect the wires to the switch and place it back into the housing. And I'll route the wires through the housing. Next, I'll reconnect the throttle cable and place it into the housing. And I'll reinstall the lockout. I'll place the wire loom back over the throttle cable and wiring harness and secure it with some new cable ties. And next, I'll reinstall the clutch. I'll place the large washer over the crankshaft and then thread the clutch in place. Again, I'll use the screwdriver and mallet to tighten it up. And it will tighten itself as you use the tool. Now I'll place the 2 thin washers over the crankshaft and reinstall the clutch drum. Now reconnect the shaft to the engine. Now realign the throttle handle with the shaft and install the other half. I'll secure the 2 halves together with the screws. The last screw secures the throttle handle to the shaft. I'll make sure the hole is aligned, and then secure the screw. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear cover. And that's how you can install a new starter housing assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.